Are you looking for the best new concave induction cooker? In this video we will look at some of the best new concave induction cooker on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. New Concave Induction Cooker. Portable design. Fast, energy saving and easy to control. 3500W Concave Induction Cooker. Fast heating, not only suitable for cooking in the kitchen, but also easy to carry. Modern kitchen is a good helper. High quality induction cooker made of iron and stainless steel. Lightweight, compact structure, double layer coil, more powerful stir fry, high strength explosion proof black crystal panel, scratch resistant, high temperature, easy to clean microcomputer control intelligent touch panel, 8-speed firepower adjustment, 8 menu functions, 2 auxiliary functions, 24-hour reservation, 3-hour timing design, pause heating function, save time and worry, easy cooking. Number 2. 220 volts smart electric ceramic stove home. High temperature resistant shell, 3-dimensional vertical pattern design, showing soft curves. The furnace body is integrated, and the bottom cooling system avoids high temperature obstacles, is more durable and quieter. One button operation. On button operation. Open as you like. High hardness microcrystalline panel, explosion proof and high temperature resistant, waterproof design, more comfortable to touch. Suitable for most pots. The heat fits different sizes of pots. Make sure your pots are flat. The teapot warmer can touch the bottom. Do not use plastic cups or double vacuum. For flat ceramic, glass, stainless steel cups, copper pot. Number 3. 220 volts electric ceramic stove. Tea stove. The small single electric burner is very portable, perfect for dorms, offices, camping, and even RVs. Great for everyday use or as extra cookware in a busy kitchen. Easy to clean. Cleaning the glass ceramic and ABS housing is quick and easy. Not even more than a minute. Just wipe the cooktop with a clean damp cloth and it will look like new again. Knob adjustments. The electric ceramic stove is portable, and the firepower can be adjusted by the knob to meet more heating needs. Electric ceramic stove, mainly used for boiling water, making tea or coffee, cooking soup, heating milk and food, etc. Number 4. Multifunctional household kitchen. Durable cast iron hot plate. Slim space saving design with overheat for protection. Non-slip rubber feet prevents product from sliding. Can be used for cooking outdoors or in office. 2 stove design, convenient and fast, save time. Number 5. Electric ceramic stove. New burst induction cooker. Portable design, fast, energy saving, easy to control. 1300W fast heating, no pot, tea, portable, easy to clean and store. Waterproof and explosion proof microcrystalline plate, safe and waterproof, no leakage, oil proof, easy to clean, wipe clean, non-slip matte, effective non-slip, protect the stove. LCD display, clear display of power supply, no glare, clear at a glance, ring-shaped vents, silent cooling system, effectively extending service life.